Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing Tea Box Express. If you've been with me a while, you have probably seen me unbox this here on my channel. This is a monthly tea party in a box. Each package contains 4 to 6 items, with one loose leaf tea included. If you sign up before February 11th, you'll get the Valentine's theme box. Their Valentine's boxes are the best. I do have a coupon code HEARTS, all caps, 2019 for 20% off your first box. So this is a really just, if you like tea, it's a nice thing to do for yourself. It is $25.50 a month. Did I say that? I know my skin is so red. Look at how red it is. So this is my new, I actually set up my whole studio. I have, I'm getting fabric for this because this used to be my husband's desk and it is filthy and disgusting. I have my fun chintzy lamp. I've had that since, well, it was my mom's and now it's mine. So this is it. It's not complete yet, but we're getting there, right? Slowly, little by little. All right, so let's open it up. I don't know what's in here. We're gonna find out together. But yeah, oh my gosh, it's windy out. So I was outside for 2 minutes and my skin is now like red. So I can't I'm not gonna put makeup on until I just feel like it's not, just let it breathe a little. All right, sensitive skin problems. All right, so here's our insert. Thank you. It's just basically a simple social sharing type card. First up, we have our Rickaroons. I should show you, right? That would be nice of me. And we also have this like spot back here. Like if I wanted to do one of those in the box videos, you can easily see. All right, so first we have Saffron Mesh Lasher. So this is a tea infuser basically, but she looks like it's shaped like an egg, almost like an oval. I actually could use one of these. I have a few, but it's good to have like 3 or 4. Just, yeah, I love these. These are my favorites. And they do wear out, like they don't last forever because they are getting like wet all the time, you know, but they're just, I like them. It's my favorite one to use. All right, then we have, okay, so this is from Rickaroons Chocolate Blondie Coconut Dark Chocolate Energy Bar. Ooh, how many calories are in this? Serving size, one package, calories 240. Ooh. Worth the splurge. I'll eat half, right? You know, you see half, right? All right. Next up, we are going to go for this. We're going to go, what did I just say? I don't know what I just done. All right. So anyway, this is from Amberella Organics. This actually looks delicious. This is a strawberry basil lollipop. Oh, and the stick is biodegradable and it is infused with seeds so that you can grow it. How cool is that? So it's a seed-bearing lollipop. I don't know what kind of seeds. Oh, that's so cool. So these are the ingredients in the lollipop, which is awesome. Pure cane sugar, beet sugar, corn syrup, solid spring water. Oh no, corn syrup solid, spring water, strawberry flavoring, and ground basil. It's certified organic, gluten-free, dairy-free, nut-free, soy-free, artificial dye-free, free GMO, dye-free, GMO. GMO-free, kosher, and vegan. Okay, I'm actually really excited to try that. And then plan it. Okay. So for our tea, there's a tea chai tay. That's the company that makes it. So there's 2 different kinds here. One is a called number 57 immunity. Little known fact about me, when something is numbered for its name, I like more likely to love it. I don't know, it's just a psychological thing. I'm like, ooh, it's very special then. It also makes me interested in all the other numbers. What do these each do? And there's 57. How exciting, right? Anyway, so the 57 is a 2-ounce bag of immunity tea. This is an award-winning tea. Oh no, that's just about the company. This is organic rose hips, peppermint, orange peel, echinacea, purpuri. It's not potpourri, like P-O-U. It's P-U-R-P-U-R-E-A. Purpurea. Calendula flowers, red clover blossoms, Oregon grapefruit, and golden seal leaf. So this is not caffeinated. It's like an herbal tea, which is pretty cool. I actually have my mother-in-law with us until tomorrow. She's leaving, but she likes herbal tea, so maybe we'll try it together. All right, so our other one is called, it's number 60 Be Swell. It's also 2 ounces. This is also herbal. So this has organic rooibos, cardamom, cherry bark, slippery elm. Never had that. Sounds fun. Licorice root and clove. So those are our teas. We have another lollipop. This is all same company, Umbrella Organics. This one is Champagne Roses. And it's also seed bearing. And you guys know I love rose. I love floral flavored things. I know that that's not a common thing, but for me, I love it. Lavender, rose, all that stuff. All right, so this is pure cane sugar, beet sugar, corn syrup solid, spring water, champagne extract, and rose petals. Ooh. I read that really great the second time. Were you guys, are you proud of me? All right, finally, all right, we have from Heartspring, who I've never heard of that company, lavender and honey lip balm. Can you see it? Oh, who knows? Probably not. Oh, these lights, they're still so darn bright. I don't get it. Anyway, I'm not gonna open this because I don't open them until I need them. Because sometimes I give them to my kids or I give them to friends, but lavender sounds amazing, right? So for $25.50, we received 4 ounces of tea in 2 different flavors. Our lip balm, our Rickaroon, our 2 fun seed-bearing lollipops, and a cool tea infuser. So that's everything that I received in my, this is a January Teabox Express. If you're interested in the full review, I will link to that below. I will also link to Teabox Express with my affiliate link and put the coupon down there for you. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.